Alright, you guys, let's go to Toys R Us. So walking to the aisle, we don't got much here. We do got a lot of, looks like MKs of some sort. Got a pretty cool Aztec, the Breaking Bad secret. If you can see the hat in there, you can't really. Not much chilling on the pegs. We got a few 5-packs with this retro racers. And the other, oh, this is both the same room. We got the Mopar pack. This one's pretty nice with the Dodge Viper. We got the Hot Wheels Motor Show, which is a very gorgeous 5-pack. We got some new mystery models. I haven't seen these yet. And anything good, I will look through these because I have not seen this set out right now. This is like a Christmas set. So what we can get is a pretty cool Porsche 994, I think, a Subaru Impreza, and a Audi Quattro. And we also got a Hot Wheels Flames pack, which is also pretty awesome. What is this pack? It's pretty nice. Well, I want to see these because this is like the brand new mystery models. Again, that is out of 10. And also got a pretty cool RX-7. And something I noticed is that on this wall, I just saw this. Look at that. Look at, oh my god, I just realized. Are these the old premium? Yes, these are the old premiums. We got the really cool Astro van. And oh my god, this is awesome. We even got like all of the Ultra Hots. You don't find Ultra Hots nowadays. Got the pretty nice looking Civi. Sorry, my camera's like off angle. Just I'm excited. Is that the treasure hunt? Nope, it was not the treasure hunt. Oh crap, that opened up. Let's just say that did not happen. Let's just keep on looking because these look like very old premiums. And something else I want to show you is that, boom, they got the whole set. They got the pretty cool Revenant, M1, and the Porsche, the McLaren. They got everything. Here we got a lot of Matchbox also. Not much, chilling up into the pegs. Oh, and also we got this for clearance. These are not bad actually. But I want to look at these Ultra Hots because this Civic is very nice. Got a Thunderbird. I have been wanting to set any. Oh, that is nice. The free Dodge. Free Dodge. Keep on looking. Not much in there now. This looks like another old set, and we just got a lot of old mainlines chilling here too. This looks like, yeah, 2023. Not gonna find anything in here, but still, this is like some old stock. But yeah, other than that, guys, I don't see much. Wish they had more Ultra Hots because this is actually a really good lineup of cars. We got the, what do we got in here? We got the Nissan Skyline, the 8086, the Datsun, and the Porsche, which those are all gone. But yeah, only the Civics left, which is pretty cool. But anyways, guys, just wanted to show you all these cars. And yeah, I'll see you next time. See ya.